Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is me, Mary Made in Hell. Today we're going to be reviewing the new Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. You can see the reflection. Today we're going to be reviewing this, trying it out. We're going to be touching, a couple of colors. I did this look with it. So if you want to see how I did this look, then keep on watching. And it came all wrapped up like this. It was very nice and wrapped up so it wouldn't, break. With all that bubble wrap, I will use it for something else. As you can see, I did my eyebrows off camera and I have so many pimples. Okay, so here's the unit carton. It has her picture on it, boo boo, and it says, "The past few years have been absolutely insane. So many highs, so many lows, amazing memories, and tons of drama. Through all of it, my subscribers always had my back. Thank you for loving and supporting me no matter what. This palette is to embracing the past, owning the present, and dominating the future together. I hope these shades make you feel strong, powerful, and loved the way you make me feel every day." And hugs and kisses, Jaclyn Hill. She looks so cute here. She has such a nice face, and her eyes, I don't want her to put any more of that feeling in whatever, because she doesn't need it. She's beautiful, so whatever. It is what it is. So it came in the bubble wrap. Dun dun dun. You can see the reflection of my ring light. This is it. And when you open it up, it looks like this. Okay, so this palette was $39 on the website. With shipping and everything, I think it was like $48 or something like that. I gotta check my receipt. But it's so much prettier in person. It really, really, really is. When you see it, it's just amazing. Now, let's see. Today, I am going to a wedding. A friend of mine is getting married and I'm so excited. And, I was thinking about using this palette to achieve the look for the party. So, I don't know what I'm going to be doing. But if you saw the intro, then you already figured out what I did. Let me put some tape on my sides of my eyes so that way I can clean it afterwards and it looks sharp. Okay, so that makes me look all insane, but it works. So let's dig again on positivity. Boom, and here we go. So that one laid down very nicely, as you can see. Look at that pimple. Oh my god, it's so red. Ugh. Okay. So that is looking super cute. So now we are going to go dive in then into the darker colors. I'm thinking about doing this and darkening the corners, maybe with Crazy, just because. Color Crazy right here. I just love that color. It's like a maroon dark color. So I'm going to go ahead, pray for me. That is going to actually, blend in nicely with the positivity. So let's go ahead and grab a little bit. Okay, that one is very intense. Look, it's coated and there's like a lot of fallout there. Oh my god. Ugh. Let's see. Oh, look at that. You just put it there. there. Oh my God, look at that. Oh, that looks perfect. That is a perfect eye. Look at that. Oh. Okay, there it is. Oh, that's looking so cute. My face looks rough. So yeah, that is looking amazing. That is looking super cute. What do you guys think? I loved bold colors. This palette is performing amazing. Okay, so what I'm going to do is actually, I am going to do a cut crease, but I want to do like very, how do you say it? I just want to keep it very light so that way it looks, you know, not too shocking. So what I'm going to think, what I'm thinking of what I'm thinking about doing is just doing a cut crease and using the color I'm in it, which is like a shimmery pink. I don't know if you can see it there. It's like a shimmer. Yeah, I'm going to use that one in the inner corner. Yep. Okay, so that's looking cute. Now, I guess I'm going to do it with my finger. Or, you know what? No, I'm going to use my little sponges, the ones that everybody hates. This one's right here. And I'm just going to go into that color I'm in it. Right here. This one right here. So we're using just a couple of colors from the palette. I might try something different. So we'll see. So grabbing it here. It's like a shimmer. And let's go in. This has like a purple reflex. Pink and purple. Looks super cute. I like it. It's not something that I usually use, but I like it. But it definitely looks cute. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to finish it off putting like a little silver line on top maybe, just to give a little bit of that. And yeah, so let me just go ahead then. That's laid down. And now I have to go back with that color Crazy, which is a dark red, like maroon color. Dip in it so I can just match everything together here. I think for now we are done with the palette. For now, because now I have to do the rest of my face and then smoke out the bottom. For the bottom, I'm actually thinking about using, maybe trying one of the purpley colors. So we'll see. So we can use, you know, a vast range of the palette. So I'm going to go ahead, do my base, try out another color. I might do like a little purple. Yeah, I think I'm going to use the color Not My Journey to do the bottom lash. Not My Journey, right here. Right here, Not My Journey. Okay, so I need a smaller brush for that. I'm going to grab that color and I'm just going to stamp it in the bottom of my eyelash. Okay, so that picked up a lot. So I'm just going to stamp it in there. Ooh. That is intense. I like it. That looks super cute. Now we're going to have to buff it. Buff it. And I'm going to buff it out with that color, the Positivity, the one that we use on the top. Let me see if I can find another brush for that. So grabbing that Positivity color, just a little bit, not too much. We're just going to smoke that out softly. I love that. Okay, so we smoked out the bottom lash. I'm gonna do like a little, I'm gonna add some things. Now on this palette, we don't have like a shimmer, or like anything that, you know, resembles like a highlighter, because the color I'm in it, it's not very, you know, powerful. It is cute, but it's not like intense. So I'm gonna have to dive in on a different palette for, you know, that kind of color, but I'm loving this. This set I have that has all kinds of colors, primary, and it has like silvers and goldens and all this. So we're gonna do silver because we're gonna part-turn. We're gonna be doing like a little line with the silver. So let's go ahead and try that. Ooh. Ain't nothing you can't do. I'm loving how this looks. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish my eyes, doing the eyeliner, my mascara, bottom eyelashes, and the lipstick, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the final look. So, what do I think about the Jaclyn Hill palette, Valianto, with Morphe collaboration? First of all, I mean, the colors are amazing. The color story, it calls my name. I love it so much. I love the intense colors. Yeah, I have to try this yellow out. Maybe I'll do another look with it, because there's a lot of stuff that you can do here with this palette. Today, for this look, of course, we went in on I Am In It. We used Positivity. We used the Not My Journey. We used Crazy. And we also used Temptress. So yeah, I had a little bit of trouble blending out the color Crazy when I did the cut crease. I mean, it turned out nice. We added the liquid liner, and then we added that little glitter. What do I think about it? I think it's amazing. For $39, you have a lot of shades. This is a very nice palette. The quality is very good. I'm very happy and pleased that I bought it. Yeah. So anyways, I really like how it looks. It's going to look really nice with the dress I'm wearing. The dress is black. Oh. The lighting. Come back. The dress I'm wearing, it's black, so that's why I added like the black, and then it has a little bit of a silver thing going on it, so I did the little glittery silver glitter liner. I really hope you guys like this look. I enjoyed doing it. It's so nice. I really like this palette. I will be using it in the future more. And yeah, that's it. If you don't agree with my opinion, it's completely fine. Everybody's entitled to their own opinion, last time I checked. But thank you so much for watching, coming back to my channel. I really, love the support. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a thumbs up, hit that notification bell so whenever I upload another video, you get notified. And also follow me on my social media platforms. As Instagram, I am under Mary Maidenhell FX. On my Facebook, I have two. I have my personal, which is Mary Maidenhell. You can add me as your friend. We can be Facebook friends also. You can add me then. You can follow me as well on my business page, which is Maidenhell FX. On on Facebook as well, and on Twitter I am under Made in Hell 1983. And so yes, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.